Do you want to get free access to a masterclass on the best way to start your own online business by actually changing people's lives? Now you can. Welcome to Success is Made, the channel dedicated to teaching you everything you need to know about online entrepreneurship and online marketing. Have you ever wanted to start your own online business and make money online by doing what you actually love? Many people do and are doing it. By far the most effective way to start is by selling digital products. And one ideal type of product to sell is, you guessed it, your online course. A course that teaches your customers what is common sense and second nature to you and doesn't take a lot of effort from your side, but that has the power to transform their lives. But how do you do that? How do you create an online course that adds true value to people's lives? And how do you make sure that it looks professional with high production values? I've made a complete masterclass over the course of several years, and I've expanded and updated it every single time there were new developments in the market and based on student feedback. If you have ever dreamed of making a good living by not commuting to work every day, but by adding value to people's lives and improving their lives, here's your chance. If you are truly willing to learn how to create professional courses based on the combination of your talents, your passions, and your expertise, combined with what people are really searching for, what they are desperate to learn from you, and if you are willing to invest some time each week to follow the lectures and work on some of the assignments, here's my offer to you. You can get access to my Expert Course Business Masterclass for free. I've refreshed and updated the entire masterclass, and I'm uploading the entire first modules for you. That's dozens upon dozens of video lectures teaching you, first, how to create a course that sells and that will be the cornerstone of your own online business. How to create course content that is in line with your talents, your expertise and passions. So you create something that is in line with your true values. How to read and understand market demand with accessible forms of market research. How to create your, what I call, ideal customer persona that represents your students and customers. How to professionally record and edit your video lectures, including screen recording, talking head video, and using graphics to perfect your lectures. Get an introduction to the value pillars method to expand from just a course to a complete business with multiple streams of income. You can access most of my masterclass video lectures, assignments, and handouts right here. I'm not charging you anything for access to these masterclass lectures. But if you like them and they add value to you and your life, I would appreciate a comment, a like, or a share. So if you want to learn how to create a profitable, professional online course by following the lectures of an actual best-selling masterclass, be my guest. Let me know what you think. Access the lectures for free right here. To your success. Bye.